Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. I am your SST teacher. Take out your SST textbook. Okay, today we will start Unit 1, Our Land and Its People, Chapter 1, Physical Features. Our country, Pakistan. Pakistan has 4 provinces, Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and it has 2 administrative units that are Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir. Now look at here Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It was previously, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa was previously named as Northwest Frontier Province, like NWFP. It is now named as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa after the people who live there. Its name was changed in 2010. So Pakistan has 4 provinces and 2 administrative units. Administrative unit is a particular area, special area that has special rights. It is an autonomous self-governing region. Autonomous means which has power, which has right. So these 2 regions are called as administrative units. The total area of Pakistan is 796,096 square kilometer. Like this is the total area covered by Pakistan country. Look carefully at the map. It is a physical map showing the physical features of Pakistan. A physical map shows the different landforms of an area. For example, as you can see, this is a map and it is showing the physical features. For example, this brown color is representing the mountains. Yellow color is representing about deserts or sand, like in Balochistan. The green colors are representing forests and blue color is representing the water body. For example, sea, oceans, rivers, etc. Pakistan has a variety of natural features. Variety means different type of natural features. It has lofty mountains. Lofty means tall and high mountains to its north, which are present in northern regions of Pakistan. It has the wide Indus Plains. Wide means broad and open. Indus Plains in the center of the country with its rich and fertile soil. Like it is very rich in fertile soil, like the soil which is used for growing crops. This plain has the river Indus and its tributaries flowing through it. Tributaries means a river and stream flowing into a larger river. For example, river Indus has 4 tributaries which flow into river Indus. Means when small rivers flow into the larger river, these small rivers are called as tributaries. They may be rivers or stream. River is larger and stream is smaller. I will show you the picture of all these land features at the end of the lecture. In the west, it has mountains. Like in west direction, it has mountains and a patch of desert land. Patch means they are attached with the deserts. Towards the east, there is another patch of desert land. It has sandy beaches. Okay, sandy beaches means like sandy edges of sea or river, etc. in the south, because the coastline is next to the Arabian Sea. Coastlines means the area where land meets the sea. There are valleys, streams and many types of forest and waterfalls dotting the landscape of Pakistan. Waterfall means an area where water flows over a vertical drop, like from top to bottom. And valleys means the areas which are present between hills and mountains. They are spotting the visible features. Landscape means visible features of Pakistan. So what we have studied? We have studied that Pakistan has 4 provinces, Punjab, Balochistan, Sindh and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and it has covered an area of 796,096 square kilometer. It has many physical features like mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. Then we studied that in the west direction it has mountains. In the east direction it has patch of deserts. In south direction it has coastlines, like the areas which are where land meets the sea. And in the north directions it has different type of mountains. So like all of these land features these are the beauty of Pakistan. Like they give beautiful views to the Pakistan, and different type of tourists visit Pakistan every year in order to visit these different type of beautiful areas. Now let me show you the pictures of all these land features. Okay, this is called as river. It is a large water body. This is stream. It is also water body, but it is smaller than river. Next is, this is beach. As I told you, the edges of the sea which are sandy, and these are present in south of Pakistan. This is called as coastline. As I told you, that an area where land meets the sea. As you can see, this land is going to meet the sea, so this is called as coastline. This is called as valley, the area which is present between hills and mountains. Hills are shorter than mountains. And last one is waterfall, an area where the water flows from top to bottom. So I think that this is clear to you that which type of physical features are present in Pakistan. I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.